Shake those hips.
Wow, Ellie. Lucky girl.
Show the pile of hats that she just went through.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, there's bunny ears on that one. Oh. Where'd Bubby go?
Oh, you can hop? Careful. Yay, Ellie! You have to go for your little brother. Whoa, what is it? Can you find the remote to turn down the volume so you can hear her? What is it, Ellie? Ooh, it's a sucker and a duck on a tricycle. It looks like you wind up the back and I bet it goes by himself. Here, well, we'll get to it in a minute. Ooh. What is it? What is it, Elle?
What is it?
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
I can open it.
So please open.
Please open, Daddy.
No.
What's that, Daddy?
Oh no, you're gonna open it in a second. All right. Pull it open. Pull it open.
I can pull it open.
Yeah, you can. You can do it. I help you. Oh, it's hard.
Uh-huh. You can do it all.
Here, let's see what else you have.
Wow, candy.
Let me see. Oh my goodness. Oh, those are darling. Huh? I think you could wear those on Easter.
Now you're a bunny.
How cute. Marie just gets the cutest little holiday headbands. Mommy, help you put them on right. Or Dada will. You gotta put them behind your ears.
Come here, silly.
You can do it.
Oh, Daddy, do it. Like this?
Uh-huh.
What is it, Ellie? Oh my goodness. Oh, it's a beautiful book. That's right. Pretty book. Oh, you can read to your brother. Will this send, depending on how large it is?
I'll have to download it to the computer and send it via email.
Another book? Oh my goodness. What else? Hurry up, let's see. You can look at the book later.
Another egg.
More eggs.
No, these are bunnies.
Bunnies, chocolate bunnies. And what is
Chocolate
this?
bunnies.
Is this a little purse? How cute. Say thank you, Zadie and Marie.
Thank you, Mary.
Say I love you, miss you.
I love you, miss you.
Say bye. Oh.
You going to work? You going to work with your purse?
Oh, it's darling.
Another egg.
Yeah, you can put your book in your purse. Oh.
2 purses.
Yay! Happy Easter! We love you. Happy Passover.